Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a Drive Zone Online modded version. You can purchase any car for free, guys. So let's get into the video. It's super easy to download this. Basically, just go over to this website, guys. It's called hexmods.com. And on the site, we're just going to type Drive Zone. And as you can see, we have a bunch of them, but we're going for the Drive Zone Online, obviously. Press download, and there you go, guys. It's going to start downloading. So yeah, that is the modded version, guys. You can install, you can buy all cars for free, and you can also like just do a ton of crazy stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So as you can see, it says right here, missing files, additional files are required for Drive Zone Online. Carefully read instructions of each additional file to unpack them. So there's all of these like apps, and I guess they're files, and it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. So I would just do this one, Travel Town. You have to reach level 10. So you just press on it, press continue, and it will bring you to the Play Store. You download it and reach level 10. Now if you're on an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store, but there are some other ones on here like WGT Golf where you have to reach level 2. We've got TikTok, PDF reader, down install, stay in the app for 20 minutes. Whatever, guys. But anyway, once you are done, guys, you should get the Drive Zone Online modded version. It gives you unlimited frozen money and unlimited cars. You can buy all the cars in the Drive Zone Online. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends. Tell them, because if you don't tell them, they're going to keep paying for stuff in Drive Zone Online that they don't have to pay for. It's not needed, guys. Nobody has to do it. It's just how you feel. You feel like you have to spend money, but there is a way to get a modded version for your device. So I'm going to see you in another one, but yeah, be sure to subscribe if you're interested in tutorials and stuff like that. And peace out, bro.